this was a rematch. Last time we played, Glows cheated. He really, I'm not really sure how he got into the game, but I got to win this time because he wasn't playing fair last time. And when I say playing fair, I don't mean like Jordan Poole playing fair. I mean like competitively not playing fair.
I just don't understand how how you can make a mistake and say I'm not playing.
No, bro. Nah.
Okay.
I need my run back. I mean, you need your run back. What, Gloves?
Hey.
Yo, nigga. Okay. Like, get that nigga off the team, bro.
No, bro.
Like,
Jeremy Shockey.
He's not even good. Like, I don't understand why that nigga gets any usage.
Yeah. The best on the team, bro.
That's saying something, bro.
Oh, not too much. My team?
Yes.
My bad, bro. Hey!
No way.
Better throw it somewhere else, dude. Nope.
What the fuck? Get that little ass nigga.
I be forgetting tackle battles are a thing.
Little ass baby nigga, man.
They just gave you so many yards for no reason.
Little ass baby nigga, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say something. Say something about the milkman.
Alright, I didn't say nothing, bro.
Yeah. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like this not entertaining, bro. Like, no one wants to watch this, bro.
What else did you want me to do, bro? Like what was my option?
Just be a man, dude. Go ahead, run the ball.
I run this shit. Stupid.
I literally couldn't move. That's so annoying.
You wanted to, right? this what you wanted to, right?
A pass is not left over 5 yards in the air.
Yo,
bro.
yeah, it can't, nigga. It can't. You wanna know why? Because Milkman's down there. A pass cannot go further than 5 yards, and it's your fault.
He just fell 7 yards, bro.
Yes, I am. It's overthrown.
Of course it is, dude. Do you see who's throwing the frickin' ball? Hermes. Yeah, I really made that Drake song. One take.
You did not make that fucking song, bro.
Yo, one take, man. Bro, drop the ball, man.
No.
43 yards.
Hold the ball. You're 6'8".
No.
Yeah, you do, bro.
Ooh, great. That's what I get for switching it up.
Nigga getting freaky, bro.
Yo, you know the worst part? This game's probably going to end the same way, bro.
It's not, bro.
Bro, your drives be too long, bro.
We are shoot. You want to know why they be too long, Glows?
I wasn't even blitzing, bro.
You want to know why they be too... All right, every possession other than that one, I've had a nigga yelling and screaming at me.
Hold on, so.
Okay. Person on my line has secure protector or edge threat.
No. Look at this dude.
You just hit what, Glows?
Hey! Oh, yeah. He on the D-line. Yeah, we already know what he about. He's a coward.
I accidentally sit on the D-line right there. I'm lucky everything just happened the way it did.
He's a coward.
Coward now?
Habibi. Yes, you're a coward. Oh. Alright. This defense is a sham, and I'm tired of respecting it.
A sham?
This defense is a sham.
That's all. Just touch him. That's all you gotta do is just have contact with the nigga, bro. That's all you gotta do.
Like a few niggas.
Oh my fucking god.
Nope.
That's just because that nigga slow. I'm about to sub in Jeremy Shockey.
Oh no!
You know how he get down.
Everybody gangster, so I go on the cover 6. Thank you.
Thank you.
There's no way that. Oh, he's Carmichael. That's why. You're a bitch. I get it.
Thank you.
I get it. You're a bitch. I get it. I am sending. Yo, 6'8" nigga up to the sky. Get it.
Niggas in the 6'8" nigga on fucking slants. Mad at me, bro. Like, what?
Yo. Okay, bro. Well, it don't bother me, bro. It don't fucking bother me at all, bro.
Come here, ball!
It's, yo, what leagues do you have, bro? Yo, if you can tell me one stat off of his card, I won't say nothing else about him ever again, bro.
I can't say it out loud. I hate us watching him.
Come here, ball!
Ted fucking Hendricks. Okay. Ted fucking Hendricks. Alright. Game fucking stinks.
Actually. Fuck it. Everybody. This is the game, brother.
You said on the word to me. You know I gotta say to you,
Bro.
Look at you, bro. Not you pinching the line.
The most obvious run play was on the way before I pinched the line, brother.
Not you pinching the line. Not to the crib.
No way.
Not to the crib, Bolis. It's giving touchdown.
You gotta listen to yourself after you edit this, bro. You gotta look yourself in the eyes and know that you said that, bro. That's all you.
Yo.
Nigga acting barnacles.
Spell barnacles. Nigga, yo,
Barnacles not even a long word, dude.
I said spell it, bro. I didn't say you could or couldn't. I just said do it.
Man, D-E-V-I-N.
Look at you, bro.
The cop out.
Little ass nigga. What the fuck? Where you going? Where were you going, bro?
That makes sense.
Where were you going, bro? Just let me know which way you was going. You was going duck to, bro.
Jumps out your way and you're able to still put your shoulder into it.
Yo, bro.
Yo, Madden, bring back. Yo, bring back real physics. No more animations.
Yo, that was real physics. You supposed to get laid the fuck out. You lucky he's alive. That's your real problem, bro. You need to be thanking God for that. Don't throw that low. Don't throw that low. You don't want to do that. Don't do that. Thank you.
I get it, Reggie White.
Get over here!
Watch your combo!
You know, at some point, you can touch some grass, a woman. When's the last time you called your mother, dude?
Yeah, bro. Hey, still a lot of game left. I don't disrespect you at all, bro.
Good song.
Come here, ball!
I can't make my own version of it. The fuck?
I'm not gonna ruin it.
Cause you missed the song, man. This shit. The fuck?
I am. What the fuck? I'm dick riding because I'm singing the lyrics?
Sing Rick and Morty, dweeb.
What does that mean?
You suck!
I'm so ass, bro. That's all me, bro. Oh my god, I'm so ass.
We gotta try Buddy over there.
Yeah, you suck, dude. Yeah, I'd run with Cordell Patterson too if I had no other option.
No other option. Oh,
I'm sorry.
I was wondering what game you was watching.
Okay. I'm so slow, bro. Yeah, you're a coward. Look at you. Look at you.
Oh my god! Yay! That's a baby, that's a baby, and that's a baby. You can't teach 6'8". Look at these baby ass niggas.
Oh my God, y'all are in cover 2. Do y'all know what cover 2 man means?
I don't use Omaha. Nope. Fat boy legs.
Yo, no, when William Perry get out, you gonna be mad as fuck. Yeah, man, just let him go. That's fine. I didn't.
Good try. And that is some cowardice.
I didn't want the clock to stop. It still stopped.
The damn ball!
What are you doing? Why is he in? Talk.
You know why he in. He's the milkman. He always is gonna deliver.
Yo, I'll go to hell. Yo, I wish bad things on you, buddy.
On who?
You.
Oh no, you didn't.
You know I gotta edit this.
And I need the That's So Raven clip where she be waving her finger to put in right there, bro. I don't know where you gonna find one, but I need it.
Now you're gonna get strapped up for 4 fucking drives in a row.
4 drives in a row. That's a lot of drives for you, big bro.
A lot, yeah. Just specifically for me.
Yeah. That's...
Yeah, you don't even know who you fucking talking to, bro.
Any reason why?
Nah, I just did. You're lucky. You're so fucking lucky. You're supposed to drop that. Why would you jump?
You know, worst case scenario. Never mind. You'll see it. Man.
Not at all, bro. I've never needed time out of my life.
We know.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh my God! Hey, you lucky! You lucky! You lucky!
Yeah, I wish you would have, bro. Jesus Christ! I wasn't even going for a pick. I was just trying to hit that nigga, bro.
I know you was.
Yo, me and Ronnie 2K
For who
would have had to
exactly?
talk. Ronnie 2K, bro.
It's not even his game.
This has to be his fault somehow. Y'all just got burnt like that? Y'all just got burnt like that? That's D-Hop, bro. That nigga not even that good, bro. Oh,
DeAndre Hopkins.
D-Hop on this.
Oh. Cut?
What are you doing? Bruh, Dawkins is gonna have to have another job by the end of this year. I don't know if he's gonna make it to Madden 24. Hell, man, if I threw it up to a 6'8" nigga every single possession, I feel like I'd have a little bit more progress too.
Remember when you did that on all drags and slants for a whole drive?
Out of bounds.
Just like Dwayne Hurts. Oh my God, acrobat,
Yeah.
please.
Man,
Oh my God.
Man, we saw a pussy over there. We said we had to do something about that. Just like that, we're in the crib. Back at it, Gloves. Back at it. Back at it, brother. Brother Gloves, are you there? Back at it. Brother.
Ooh, that is Jesus.
Yo, your definition of is extremely skewed. I don't get it. I'm
That
not here in the
nigga,
fucking
no.
field with a lineman. Do you want me to give you points going into the next fucking quarter? Like, I don't get what you want from me.
I just want you to be a man, dude.
Okay.
At some point.
Okay. My fault, big bro. Yeah, no, he wasn't getting it off, bro.
Hey, McCormick.
No juke. Magic City on a Monday. Let's go. I'll give it to you, man. You got me.
I know. You have to tell me.
Never mind, bro. You ain't do shit. You fucking stink.
I don't know why you felt the need to tell me what I just saw, bro.
You're a coward. You're a yo. That is top 100 throws in the history of ever, bro. Bro,
Nah, I'm a coward.
yo, I've never protected caught it 10 yards into the field unless it was the one I was trying not to go out of bounds, bro.
Good throw! Ooh, God. Whew. Man,
Damn, bro.
I didn't even mean to throw it, bro.
My fault. I don't even know why I said that. You have a job. I pay you. I give you money. I pay you every day. What do I pay you for?
I'll be real with you. The only reason I threw it because I was like, man, there's no way he got beat off like that.
Hey, yo.
What happens? Wow, he did it again. Psych. Tricked you.
Yo, every time a nigga jump, they have to just let the nigga loose.
Oh, I don't want to throw it at the goal line. It's scary. Me, fuck it, man. Throw it at the goal line.
Oh, I should have dove. That's me. I used it and did dive like a dummy. I wish I could burn 3 minutes off the clock.
Man, you can watch.
Come on, 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 come on. Him. Oh my god. Why do y'all even hold? Like, why even give me the ruse that you're gonna play defense, man? Just fucking let him through.
Hey, bro.
All I need is time. Yo, don't send him up that streak, bro, because he's not getting it.
He is. Christian Watson. Inching up.
Never gonna get the opportunity. We're never.
Actually, this is actually nice. Uh-oh.
Hold it! Suck my fucking dick, dude.
Now I gotta suck your dick. Catch
Yeah.
it!
Yeah, I wish you would've. I really wish you would've, bro.
You put him on that little, Christian Watson.
Look me in my eyes, bros.
Fuck it.
What the ball, dickhead? Slant income.
He said, you said slant incoming? To hear slant incoming from was Devin.
And we fight. This is an outside zone. Man, you know, I wish the people I paid money to do things did things.
At best case scenario, you tie the game. And I respect it. But that's fair.
This could have been a friendly game. Now it's turned into something more than that. Get it! Yo, what do I pay you for? What do I pay you for? What do I pay you for? Thank you. Thank you for doing your job, brother. Man.
That wasn't even it. I had two people blocking one man, which was great. They ain't doing anything with it.
That's what you had to think, bro.
That's exactly what happened. I'll bet my whole life on the dumbest play you ever seen. No, I hiked it. Ooh, great defense. Does it really matter?
We gonna take this like men, bro.
This is 9 times out of 10 a check down to the running back. It was going that way.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no,
I'm
man.
not even sure why I targeted that fucking box. Thank you.
Haha, made you fuck. Get the fuck
What?
off me. Interesting.
Gonna title this shit.
Of course, no. The D lineman wasn't picking it. I wasn't worried about that at all.
Some of them have it.
Nice zone.
Not fast enough. It's just not possible. Okay. Are you kidding me? Is this minutes? and it just doesn't fucking matter. I ran straight head first at you, and you slipped off, my nigga. Don't.
Nah, man. Luka been watching that shit for months. My favorite thing. Ooh, no.
Oh.
That's my bottom dollar. Kill my bottom. Uh-oh. It gets hard, man.
You're gonna run it like a fucking coward. Look at you.
Yeah. There we go. Where you go, Dev? No witty remark.
I'm focused.
Focused.
My
God. It's everywhere. Oh, God.
Stay in bounds.
It's everywhere, Glowless. Oh. Yo, I'm up like Mad God right now. Oh, no. Not like this. I'm standing up. Yo, if I had my webcam on right now, bro. Oh, my God. Let's get it. Oh. Out of bounds. Whatever. Out of bounds. That's fine. Market
What?
Tick a nigga. Market tick a nigga. That's what I could do.
It's fair.
Oh my God. And just like that, we're right back at where we were last time, Glowless.
No, you really are a coward for going for a field goal here. I'm not gonna lie to you.
The Philadelphia Eagles have done it again, man. No! I've been here before. And if the game didn't glitch, I would have won.
And then glitch. Just lost.
It did, bro. No, the game had glitched out. I don't know if you is. I wish we had the footage of it glitching. Now it's really crazy. We had to set it up. Huh?
The footage.
What do you mean? Where'd you get that from? No, I'm so ass. That's my fault. That's not. Good tackle. Man. You had over the top. I'm not gonna lie to you. You're also a coward. I'm not gonna lie to you there either. That would have been a touchdown if you were throwing it. I'm not gonna lie to you, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Forgive me. Being 5'10". Not that one. Not that one.
Good game.
Okay, bro. Why would you bump into me? I'll probably hit the scene with an uncashed. Yeah, I guess one of them is let a grown-ass man through two adult men.
Nah.
Oh.
Kelsey slant, nigga. You thought we was worried about that, nigga? You had a fucking hook curl there for him. You ran into a fucking hook curl. You know what a hook curl is, nigga? You don't. You're not supposed to be here, nigga. Nah, ain't no thanks for watching. Move, nigga. You're not even supposed to be here, nigga. You're not supposed to be here. Like this overtime was a blessing to you. By God. You're not supposed to be here, dude. You're a bum. You're a dweeb. Nigga, sub up to VBN pack, nigga. Glowless world, nigga. Sign us out.